In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily turn on the Hotspot feature on your Samsung device. The Hotspot feature allows you to share your mobile data with other devices, such as laptops, tablets, or other smartphones, so they can connect to the internet through your device's cellular network. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung device, and then tap Connections. After that, tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Now you'll see the Mobile Hotspot option at the top. To turn on Mobile Hotspot on your Samsung device, simply toggle on this switch over here. Now Mobile Hotspot is enabled on your Samsung device, and people can connect to it. You can also tweak the Mobile Hotspot settings if you want to. To do that, tap over here. And then tap Configure. Now you can change the hotspot name, select the band, and set the security settings. You can also tap Advanced to customize and tweak more hotspot settings. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.